Uh, Nice to meet you all. Okay, today our topic is how to trade gold in 2022. Before we start trading, at first we need to know the current trend of gold market. Is it uptrend or downtrend? Okay, but the question is, how do I know where can I find these informations? Okay, in order to answer these questions, we need to know what is non-farm payroll. Okay, non-farm payroll is just like an indicator or report. It will be reflecting the current economic situation in US, whether good or bad. The reason I want to emphasize this is because this data is very important for Fed, Federal Reserve. Federal Reserve has two goals for the monetary policy. First, they want to maintain the inflation rate around 2%. Okay? Second, they want to maintain the unemployment rate around 6%. So this is not an easy job. Okay? Now we look at the non-farm payroll for this year. As you can see, the actual figure is bigger than forecast. For example, this month, October, forecast number 250K, but at the end, the actual result came out 263K. So what does it mean? That means most of the people in US are employed, and the economy is getting better. Question: if the unemployment rate is low and the inflation rate is high, what action will be taken by Federal Reserve? Of course, they will focus on fighting inflation. Why I say that? I show you some data so you know what is going on. Okay? This is a US annual inflation rate over the past 10 years. As you can see, from 2012 to 2020, over the past years, the inflation rate is around 2%. However, from last year, 2021, until this year, the figure is raising up to 8.2%. So the inflation rate is very high. So what's the impact of the inflation? I just give you a simple example. For example, last year, you want to buy something, soft drink, it cost you $1, but now it will cost you $5. That means every item is more and more expensive. This is US government, they are not willing to see this kind of situation happen. So, question again, what action will be taken by Federal Reserve? So, in order to bring down this figure, Federal will increase the interest rate. So what does it mean? That means the more US dollar you save in the bank, the more return you get. So now, on one hand, you have cash. On one hand, you have gold. On the other hand, you have cash. So ask yourself, will you sell the gold or cash? See? So, because everyone want to save the money, put in the bank, a lot of people will selling the gold. If the supply bigger than demand, we can foresee the gold market will be downtrend. Okay? So, is it true? Yeah? Don't worry, I will show you something so you know what's going on. Okay? I believe some of you are traders. Okay? I have a question for you. What is the definition of downtrend in terms of technical analysis? Could you remember, or you have forgotten? Okay, if you have forgotten, never mind. I will help you recall it. Okay? Downtrend. This is a downtrend pattern. Okay? The market will go down, create lower, and lower high, lower low, lower high, and so on and so forth. Now we look at this gold vs US dollar, the ones. You see, the price will go down, create lower low, and then lower high, lower low again, lower high, lower low, lower high again, so on and so forth. You see, is this same pattern? Do it again. Okay, now we know the gold market currently is going down 10. Okay, so it's better we take the sell opportunity instead of buy. Yeah, because whenever we do a trade, we don't against the trade. Okay, there are many strategies in the market. Okay, everyone has their own preferences. I couldn't say this strategy good or that one strategy no good. Okay, but for me, I like a simple strategy. I don't like to use too much indicator because it made me very confused. So today I want to share with you a simple strategy. Just so-called pullback strategy. It's very simple but very powerful. So at first, okay, you draw a support level, okay, support level, and wait the price break down the support level, but still don't do anything. Hold, be patient, and wait the price pull back to the previous support level, and this level I think around 1635. Okay, in this level you do a short trade. Okay, yeah, it's very simple, but some of you might doubt, is it true? Simple but powerful, make money? Yes, I show you. Okay, this is another example. Draw a support level. Okay, with the price break down the support level and with the price pull back to back the previous level and short at this level. Okay. Now, because today I cannot share my live account, I can show you. I have a big screenshot and show you. Okay, this is my live account. Okay, I just funding $100, and now I haven't closed my trade. Right now I remake up around 700 something. Yeah, same thing. Okay, draw a support level. Okay, wait until the price break down. Okay, then be patient. Wait for the price pull back to the previous support level. Then I make a short. You can see, I make short this level. So you can see this method is simple but very powerful. So after this presentation, I believe all of you have a big picture of the gold markets. So I hope it helps everyone's in gold trading. So all the best and thank you very much. Happy trading. Yeah.